Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Dashi Ramen full guide. Start by gathering kombu, bonito flakes, ramen noodles, soy sauce, mirin, scallions, and a soft-boiled egg. Keep ingredients measured and organized before heating water. Use clean cookware and taste as you go to balance umami and salt. Prepare a workspace for quick assembly when the broth and noodles are ready, and then move to making toppings. Let's begin. Bring your dashi stock to life by gently warming soaked kombu, then removing it before simmering bonito flakes for a clear, savory base. Steep the flakes briefly and strain for a clean broth that carries delicate ocean umami. Season the finished stock with measured soy sauce and mirin to avoid oversalting. Taste often and adjust gradually so the broth supports toppings without overpowering them. If this video is helping you, hit subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It sets a great cooking soundtrack and answers timers hands-free, making ramen prep smoother and more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, I hope it helps in the kitchen. Now let's get back to the video. Cook your noodles just shy of done so they finish in the hot dashi for perfect texture. Place noodles in warmed bowls, ladle the clear, seasoned stock over them, and arrange toppings artfully for visual appeal and balanced flavor. Add finishing oils, chilies, or citrus if you want contrast, then garnish with scallions and sesame. Serve immediately so the textures and temperatures are at their best for each bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.